and I'm in my classroom. I'm ready to go. So I thought I would make a quick little video. I've commemorate my classroom. I'm a digital teacher this year. I teach 5th and 6th grade in the Monterey Peninsula Unified School District Digital Academy. But I still have a classroom and I still have a workspace that I need to keep tidy. So all this school year, I want you to join me as I tidy up my workspace here at school and also my van, California One. All right. I sure hope you're having a great morning, a great day. I have a little joke for you. Peggy, I know you're going to enjoy this. The joke is, what is the smartest insect? What is the smartest insect? Are you ready? A spelling bee. I sure hope you enjoyed that joke. All right. Bye, Martha from Monterey Bay. Have a wonderful, 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 wonderful Thursday. Bye-bye.